this video, I'm going to talk about, I'm going to talk about how to rearrange columns in this video. That's what I'm going to talk about. So, first of all, we've got our imports, and we'll just get our little data frame here. We'll have a little look at our data frame, and then we'll talk about rearranging these columns. So, let's say I've got this data frame, and you can see I've got the column age, name, sex, and score. Maybe I want, I don't know, score and sex to be here, or sex and score to be here, and I want age and name to be over there, right? Well, I can rearrange that quite quickly, but first of all, I'm going to need to get all of the column names and put them into the list. So we'll say cols is equal to columns is equal to, we'll call them col. We'll just call them col is equal to list of our data frame dot columns dot values, right? And we'll have a little look at col straight after, and this should give us a list of all of those, right? And we can use these values to basically rearrange our data frame. So we can make sc underscore df, and we say that's equal to itself, right? But we're going to say that it's equal to certain parts of itself. So we can say that it's equal to, for example, col, right? And we're going to say index 2 to 4. Now you might notice there is no index 4, but as this isn't inclusive of index 4, it's only inclusive of index 2 and 3. It should get sex and score, right? And then we're going to say plus col, and we're going to say 0 to 2, right? And that should get 0 and 1. Now, before I actually change this, I'm going to copy and paste that above itself, just so you can have a little look at what it spits out. Now, you can see that it spits out a data frame in kind of this inverted order. So it's in the order of sex, score, age, and name. And we're saying here that we want our data frame to be equal to that data frame, but we want the columns to be placed at different places. Because as you can see, that's the original placement, age, name, sex, and score. And here is our new placement, sex, score, age, and name. So we're going to permanently change the scdf data frame to have that sort of arrangement of columns. And now if we look at our data frame, you'll see that we've rearranged the columns there, right? Now, maybe we want to rearrange them further. Maybe we want age to be here and score to be there, right? But we want sex to be the same. We just want to change a few small items, right? That's not a problem. We can say that our data frame is now equal to, and I'm going to show you how to do it for singular items. So when you're just doing it for a single column, you actually have to put it in the brackets twice. So we'd say column, we want 0 to be the same there. And then we want column, what do we want? We want age there. We want to change age and score. We want sex and age, and then we want score and name. Should we have name and score? Yeah, let's have the second one be age, which is index 2. We'll have the third one be name, which is index 3, I believe. So we'll say, yeah, col 3. And then we'll have the last one be score, right? Oops, we're going to want a plus there. And we're going to say col, what is it, col 1, I believe. This better work. Now, if I do that, it's worked. And if we look at the data frame, do we have what we want? Yes, we do. We've got, oh no, we don't. Why did I mess that up? Oh, right, it's because I'm using column. So the reason I messed that up is not the reason you think. It's because I'm actually using these column values. I was thinking I was using the values here. So col 0 is actually age, then it'll be sex, then it'll be score, then it'll be name. So I kind of messed that up because I was using these, but I suppose that's a good little lesson for you guys to learn. But basically, yeah, you can actually rearrange where each column sits by using this method. The only thing is, Don't worry about using it too much because it doesn't actually change the data. You know, you're looking at it thinking, oh, I've changed my entire data frame. You haven't. You've just rearranged where the column names are, but the data actually remains completely the same. And you want to watch out if you've got, say, a column thing and you're looking at your your data frame. You want to make sure you're paying attention to where those indexes are from, because I sure as heck didn't, and it didn't come out right. But you know, I'm sure I could make it come out right. Anyway, that's how you rearrange indexes, columns, should I say. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.